Black love, black owned, black business. Peace, y'all. We about to put together our POS system. That's what we're doing right now. Sponsored by Toast. We're gonna do big things with this POS system. I'm telling y'all right now. So for those who come, you can enter in your information in the kiosk. There's gonna be rewards for that. We're gonna have so many incentives for y'all that it's just gonna be ridiculous. Besides the good food and all that, it's unstoppable. You heard? So we got our kiosk so you can order for yourself, or you place your orders with me. And this is for the cook so he can see all the orders as they come through. So this is what we're doing today. All right? Double back and taste it. Cheers.